I'm in Micheals. I'm looking for a cut crease brush, and they normally have, I look for the round ones. So I think I found a good cut crease brush that I can cut with. I had this before and I think I messed it up. So I think I'm gonna use this one because it's like a perfect round shape. But y'all see how y'all need to cut them bristles right there, like it's all jagged. I don't like that. I like a perfect cut, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the brush to get that perfect cut. All right, guys, excuse my nails. I know they look janky. They're gonna get done soon, but anyways, we are focused more so on cutting these brushes. Well, cutting one brush. I just want to show you the ones that I did. See how flat they are, and then round. They didn't look like that at first. So I actually got these. I'm going to show you the name of the brush. I actually got these at Micheals. You can get these brushes. Some of them cost $16. I think the number 10s and number 9s, they run from about $16.99, y'all. So yeah, they is expensive. But I think you can find some on Amazon or eBay. I will definitely leave the link down below if I find some that are affordable, that are like these. But this one stood out to me right here. I had this one before, but this one is a number 4. But look at the brush. Look how round it is. And I love round brushes because creases are round. So we're going to be cutting this brush today. See how it's not flat and the bristles are, I don't know if y'all can see it, and the bristles are not like flat like these. Now, I've seen a tutorial that Kiki Adams did, and I did my brushes like that before, but with these, because they are paint brushes, when they get wet they tend to get thin anyway, so you don't really have to do much but add product to it and it's going to get thin anyway. You want these straggly pieces at the top and you want it to be real crispy. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to move these brushes out the way because these are already done. We're just focusing on not coming in the picture, okay? I see this brush already as it is. It's not crispy enough to cut a crease. I don't know, it's just me. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut this off. Grab my glitter glue. This is what Kiki Adams uses. She uses this and uses this, but I'm not going to use this only because, like I said, they already get flat. You just need some kind of product on there so when you're cutting it, you will know how flat it gets and where you're going to cut it at. I'm going to submerge my brush in this product. Go back and forth. So you see how instantly it just got flat. You saw how it was at first. You just seen how this brush was at first. It just instantly got flat. So you don't really need to do much to it. I'm going to put some concealer on here just to show you how it cuts. So basically show you the strokes of how it cuts versus from how it is when it's cut. I'll put pressure on that brush to flatten it out. See these lines right here? I don't want that. And I want to show you how it cuts without me cutting the actual brush up. What I want to do is I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how it cuts. So I'm going to cut it right here. So that's how it cuts. And my eyes, not your eyes, this may look like a perfect cut. It's kind of janky. You want to cut just a little bit. You just want to cut a little bit of the tip off. You want to cut the straggly pieces off. Take me some scissors. I got these from Morphe, y'all. These curved. Curved is more like an S curve, so it's going to give it more a round shape. Cut it. You want to cut it like you barely even touching it, y'all. I don't know if my hands in the way. But I'm holding it. I'm holding it because I don't want it to move. So you see how it's not so janky anymore? It's like that perfect cut brush. As we are up close and personal. Dang, I wish I would have used this lens when I was cutting it. But y'all got the concept, y'all. Look how perfect that cut crease brush is. I mean, this paintbrush is. It's perfect and round. I want to test it out on my hand to see if it cuts. I like to get my brush like saturated in the product. Put this on there, ready to go. Do it on my hand because my hand is more flat. So when I cut, I tap, I just want to see. So you test it to see if it works. You know, you want your perfect shape. This is what I do when I cut my cut crease brushes. I definitely will leave the link in the description bar to the some ones on eBay for cheap, for the low. Y'all, if y'all don't want to wait, go to Micheals. Definitely go to Micheals to pick y'all up some. You don't want to cut off a lot. You just want to cut off the tip, y'all. Just cut off the tip of the straggly pieces and let the brush be round. That is it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Before you came around, I was ready to